So I am hella late to meet up with my friend right now. She's gonna get her nails done, but I don't know where she's at. Thinking she's inside here already. Is she there? That's her. Yo, what's Gucci? Yo, what's going on this Saturday?
It's my birthday.
What are you gonna do on your birthday?
What are we gonna do? We're gonna behave. Birthday behavior. We're gonna go to Ballast Park. We're gonna have some beer and more beer. Yeah, go out dancing.
Go dancing. So I don't even drink anymore, but I'll have like one beer for her. So we got to, right? So it looks like they're gonna clean up my nails. It's the second time I do this, but honestly, it feels kind of awkward when you do it. I don't know why. Maybe because no one's like really been touching my hands like that or whatever.
Or maybe because it's not manly enough.
Or maybe it's too manly.
2018.
What? Put that on the story right now. You went what?
I went to some other place to get acrylics. I cheated on my nail lady. So then I went to another place and I came back here and I was like, oh, I need to get my nails done again. A fill. And then she's like, where'd you go? And I was like, what? And she's like, you went somewhere else. Look how bad these nails look. These are horrible. And I was like, I know. And I learned my lesson.
Don't trust just anyone.
Don't trust anybody. Don't cheat on your nail lady.
Don't cheat on her. That's her nail lady, by the way. Can I put you on the vlog, yes or no?
My name's Katie.
Don't cheat on Katie.
No,
Never. She does the best nails.
Wait, are we doing what you want to do? Manicure?
Oh, you're gonna do manicure? Okay, I guess I'm doing my manicure now. So.
Yeah, I will be right back.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
That was gonna be crazy.
Just a clean up. Yeah, just a clean up. No shiny buff.
Okay, no shiny buff.
No, you don't want that.
I'm like, what I want? I don't know what I want. She's the one that always tells me to do my nails, so I guess they're jacked up, whatever. They're kind of, they're alright. But since I don't really have a camera person recording me or recording us, so I guess I'll just start the vlog after. But if anything, I'm gonna try to get some cool footage of her when she's getting like sick design on her nails. So I already got a little bit of footage, but yeah. Yo, fresh. Yo, I think this is probably one of the, I didn't think I was gonna like it as much. I did it like last time, but
So these two are the ones that do the design, right?
it's clean. But we got our closet apparently. So, what's Gucci? Yo, let me see your nails again. Okay, hold up. There we go. Okay. Dang, are you happy?
Yeah. My nails are ratchet before this.
When are they not ratchet? Oh, wait. Are we gonna go find the drone right now?
Yeah.
Or... So now that we got our nails done, I kind of forced Ale to come with me to come to the beach because I haven't been here in a long time. But she's carrying something magical here. We're gonna go fly the drone. Alright, enjoy this B-roll footage. I mean, or not B-roll, but enjoy Corona Del Mar, the way we see it right now from the buff.
You just smacked my butt.
I meant to do that. doing there?
First of all, I can't see without my glasses and it's too bright here. So I'm just gonna wear the sunglasses over my glasses.
Alright, let's fly this thing. Is that cool?
That shit can go far.
Alright, where are we going now?
I need food!
Alright, let's go eat. Almost crashed into that right there. Cause I didn't see it. Anyways, last minute change of plans. Looks like we're just gonna go home and eat, you know. But other than that, thank you for going to fly the drone with me.
Thanks for getting your nails done with me. Oh, birthday nails, birthday bitch.
But I'm gonna go give her a hug because we always give hugs to our friends. Oh. I'm like, later, dude.
Bye. I'll see you later.
I'll see you later for sure. Alright, love you. Bye. But that's it for today. I'm gonna go kick it with Papa now. So thank you all for joining, yo. So I'm gonna try doing these little vlogs like once a week, maybe twice a week. But here, you wanna meet my Papa? Hey, Papa, say what's up.
Okay.
Say what's up.
What's up?
What's cracking like it?
What's cracking like it?
Hey, that's Big Papa right there. See here. Anyways, other than that, thank you all for joining today. Please like, share, and subscribe. More videos coming your way. I will be doing tutorials. I will be doing vlogs. I will be doing just a lot of photo stuff and just random stuff like getting my nails done. So thank you for joining. Lele, deuce.